Hello and welcome back to No Brokerage Law Firm. Today we are at Casa Grande and we have Mr. Simon sir and Anand sir with us. Hello sir, can you please tell us about Casa Grande?
Casa Grande is from basically we started our journey from Chennai. So from Chennai, it's almost 22 years in real estate. So it started in from Chennai, then we went to Bangalore, then we went to Hyderabad. We have projects in Coimbatore. Then we expanded to international level, which is Dubai, and Maharashtra. We are capturing them.
Okay.
So Maharashtra, we are aggressively going towards 42 projects in all over in Maharashtra. So that is the target for Maharashtra.
And sir, why Pune? मतलब आपने चेन्नई से निकलकर पुणे ही क्यों चूज किया कि यहाँ पर हम कुछ डेवलप कर सकते हैं?
See, Pune is rapidly growing, and there are many MNC companies, IT companies, and there are a lot of buyers, potential buyers. So that's the reason why we are exploring Pune now. And overall Maharashtra, not only Pune. Pune is one city. We are expanding towards Navi Mumbai now. So our plan is to come up with more zones. As we are in Bangalore, Hyderabad, the south zone. Now we are coming up to the north zone, west zone of India. So that is the plan.
ओके एंड सर अभी कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट है जो आप प्रमोट करना चाहोगे या हमारी ऑडियंस को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहोगे?
We proudly present Casa Grande Caladium. So this is a project which is in Kharadi now. This is a premium segment.
ओके
In if you see east part of Pune, which is Kharadi, Kharadi is basically builders are coming up with compact houses or budget-friendly houses. But as I previously said, in Pune we have good potential buyers who are looking for a spacious project and good amenities. So we have a lifestyle amenities and we have a project which is a spacious flat. So we come up with a 2 BHK and 3 BHK from 900 plus carpet area to 1100. This is the option for 2 BHK. For 3 BHK it is 1300 plus. So east part of Pune will be getting a spacious apartment in Casa Grande.
Is there any offer for now? Is a particular project?
We are coming up with some spot missing offers that we will definitely discuss on the table with the customers. We do have payment relaxation plan as well, 1090 schemes.
एंड आनंद सर, आप एक ऐसे कौन सी एडवाइस देना चाहोगे जो 2026 में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं या घर खरीदने का प्लान कर रहे हैं?
Let's see, I talk about project only. As for the investment part, like everyone looking for ROI, looking for something which is a little premium and a luxury. So Casa Grande is one of the option for them. More specifically Upper Kharadi. And then since we are coming up a very good spacious carpet area, that is, and then one more additional thing that is a Singapore based elevation altogether. So once you see the Caladium project, you would definitely like invest in 2026. So my advice would be to all the buyers who is looking for a premium apartment and a luxury, they should come to the Casa Grande and visit once before they take their final decision.
ओके सर. एंड सर, अभी आपने पुणे में डेवलपिंग स्टार्ट किया है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू which लोकेशन से पुणे will definitely grow in next 5 to 10 years?
Let's see, if you talk about the location, so all locations is being developed now in Pune, be it as a west location, be it as a east location. But we'll specifically talk about east location. If you see that the entire Kharadi is already been developed. Okay. Now we are, the upcoming area which is developing right now is Wagholi. That's very near to, Kharadi and Upper Kharadi. And then that too, if you see all the developers or the big names are there already in the Wagholi.
Yes.
Right? And as per the, BNC plan, the metro station is coming, the road foundations, the 4-lane roads are coming. So there are a lot of opportunities which, comes towards, a development in Wagholi. Apart from that, if you see that all the water and apart from all the PFCs, infrastructure is developing in Wagholi. So I believe that Wagholi is the place where you're going to have IT nearby, you're going to have your metro station nearby, you're going to have your highways nearby. So that is where you should, the people should invest. and that is, I think 2026-27 would be the hub for the development.
And sir, what is one thing every buyer should check beyond RERA?
See, beyond RERA, they should first, the basic thing or the primary thing they should check is the brand, the developer, his experience, his history, his financial details, whether he will deliver the product what he is showcasing. So all this experience matters because you're paying. See, RERA is something which is a legal help to home buyers. If suppose anything happens in future, they can complain in RERA. But why that situation should be there? So your primary home buyer should check is the background of the builder, the experience. So that will matter.
एंड सर कासा ग्रैंड ने इतने सालों से होम बायर्स का ट्रस्ट गेन कैसे किया है, मतलब क्या क्या ऐसी खास बातें हैं कासा ग्रैंड की?
See, we are very popular in South, specifically Chennai. We are very popular over there. Basically, जैसा हमने बताया, हमारा जो जर्नी था 5 साल पहले की जर्नी, तो वहाँ से हमने शुरुआत किया था. वहाँ से प्रोजेक्ट्स जब हम बनाकर डिलीवर किए, लोगों को हमारा सर्विस अच्छा लगा. हमारा कमिटमेंट जो हमने लोगों को बताया था कि हम ये फुलफिल करेंगे, वो हमने डिलीवर किया. सो हमारा प्री सर्विस, पोस्ट सर्विस, ये लोगों को अच्छा लगा. उससे थोड़ा ट्रस्ट बिल्ड हो गया क्योंकि न्यू कमर तब थे हम, तो 22 साल पहले. फिर उसके बाद एक प्रोजेक्ट हम बनाते गए, नाम बनते गया, लोगों का ट्रस्ट आने लगा. Then we went on to experimenting where we came up with a theme based project. तो लोगों के लाइफस्टाइल हमने चेंज किया वहाँ. So we are basically into a lifestyle theme based project. जैसा कासा ग्रैंड कैलेडियम जो है वो सिंगापुर थीम बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट है, वैसे हमारे पास जापानीज थीम बेस्ड है. सो वी कम अप विद अ डिफरेंट थीम. हमारा बेसिक थॉट ये है कि लोग आज हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं दूसरी एशियन कंट्री से जो डेवलप होती है, बट व्हाई नॉट वी कंपेयर देयर लाइफस्टाइल. सो हम पहले लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर रहे हैं बाय गेटिंग द थीम, एंड देन ऑटोमेटिकली जब लाइफस्टाइल चेंज होगा तो डेवलपमेंट भी चेंज होगा और लोगों को सोच भी चेंज.
Yes.
दैट इज
सर अभी कैलेडियम आपने कब लॉन्च किया प्रोजेक्ट?
हमने अभी एक 4-5 महीना पहले ही लॉन्च किया था प्रोजेक्ट.
और अब तक का कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है बायर्स
इट्स
का?
अ गुड रिस्पॉन्स. जैसा मैंने लोगों को, जैसा हमने पहले भी बताया था कि जो लोग हैं जिन्होंने पहली गलती किए थे कॉम्पैक्ट हाउसेस लेकर, तो उनके लिए एक सेकेंड चांस है. सो दे वांट टू अपग्रेड देयर प्रॉपर्टी. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर अ स्पेशियस अपार्टमेंट, लुकिंग फॉर अ पीसफुल लोकेशन. तो हम लोग हैं, वी आर ओनली अ लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट इन वाघोली. अदरवाइज आज के तारीख में आपने देखा होगा बिल्डर्स ओवर क्राउडेड लोग लाते हैं, फैमिलीज लाते हैं इन प्रोजेक्ट में. इसमें आप अगर एम्यूनिटीज में बैठे भी हो तो आपको कंजेशन लगता है, भीड़ लगती है, यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल. आप एम्यूनिटीज क्यों प्रीफर करते हैं? फॉर अ पीस ऑफ माइंड, फॉर अ लाइफस्टाइल. तो हमने इसके लिए लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट लाया है. वी हैव ओनली 334 अपार्टमेंट्स. सो people are looking for spacious apartment, for a lavish amenity, for a greenery zone, for a premium elevation, then Casa Grande Palladium is a right choice.
सर अभी आपने एमिनिटीज की बात की, तो हम क्या क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में एमिनिटीज में?
Well, we have 111 amenities. उसमें all types of lifestyle amenities. जैसे फिटनेस के लिए अगर आपको साइकिलिंग करना अच्छा लगता है, so we are giving a cycling park with bicycles. आपको साइकिल अलग से बाई करनी
लेनी नहीं पड़े.
We have 3 types of gym. एक है अगर आपको मसल बिल्डअप करना है, so we have oxygen into gym. दूसरा है हमारे पास जो रूफटॉप जिम है, जो सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए अच्छा होता है. रूफटॉप पे they can have a fresh ventilation air and they can work out at the same time. Then we have garden gym. So some people want to go with a basic fitness. Even we are providing the same options. We have an 1800 square feet swimming pool. That is something very fancy.
Yes.
It has pool volleyball, pool hammock, Then we have Sky Cinemas. All types of amenities, 111 amenities. Basic amenities भी है जो EV charging point, ATM facilities. तो आपको ATM के लिए भी बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Car washing bay. You have air filling station. You have laundry facilities. You have
बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज कर रहे हैं आप.
Million amenities actually. It's about life.
पूरा लाइफस्टाइल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो आप.
Something about lifestyle that the facilities are very very important along with that.
मतलब कोई अगर वहाँ पे घर लेता है तो किसी चीज के लिए बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं
But
पड़ती.
I tell you, if you are buying a home with the Casa Grande Clarity, you would be buying a home in a hotel.
Yes.
That's the other facilities that you need to get along with that.
Yes, definitely. ठीक है sir. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you, sir. If you want to invest in Calarium by Casa Grande, then contact on this given number below or visit nobrokerage.com for more details.